How to remove a ban from Ome TV. If you've been banned from Ome TV, here are simple ways to fix it. Change your IP address. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Use a mobile data and use a trusted VPN like ExpressVPN or Proton VPN. Clear app or browser data. Go to your settings and go to apps and search for Ome TV. Clear the cache and data. If you're using a browser, clear cookies and site data. Use a different device or account. Try using Ome TV on another phone or computer. You can also create a new account. Lastly, you can contact support. Go to Ome TV, scroll down to the bottom and click on Contacts. Explain your situation if the ban was a mistake. To avoid future bans, don't use offensive language or inappropriate content.